Clearing your search history on Trip.com can help maintain your privacy and provide a fresh start for your travel planning. Follow these steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Trip.com website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, navigate to your profile or account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find search history. In your profile or settings menu, look for an option labeled Search History or Activity. Click on it to view your past searches. Step 4. Clear search history. Within the search history section, you should see an option to clear or delete your history. Click on this option to remove all past searches. Step 5. Confirm deletion. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to clear your search history. Confirm your choice to finalize the deletion. By following these steps, you can successfully clear your search history on Trip.com, ensuring your travel preferences remain private.